another video. So today's video I'm going to be doing a set based on this glitter. Pretty much I found this glitter and I really wanted to use it. So I pulled out this Kiki polygel from a cart. Please excuse the bottle, my son bit it. And of course I'm going to use my almond shaped full cover tips. I was scared to use these because they are etched. I wasn't sure if it would show through or not, but it doesn't. So first off, I'm going to start by applying some base coat on the inside of that tip, and then I'm going to take my brush. I messed up the brush, so I use this to pick up my glitter. So I only have one for glitter, so I don't mess up my other ones. Anyways, so I dip the brush into the wet base coat, and then I use that to pick up the glitter, and I do a full nail. This is the ring nail. So I do a full nail full of glitter, and I do that to the pointer finger as well. So moving on to, this is the middle finger. I'm just going to do like a French tip. So I apply that base coat to the tip of the nail, and it's easy because I just follow where it's etched. So it's like the perfect tip. And I just dip that right into the glitter. And I do flash cure these, so when I apply my polygel, they don't move. So I do like a quick 15-second flash on all the ones that are glitter. So I did size up on my tips because once you cure them, they kind of shrink a little. Even if you flash cure it, they shrink a little bit. So just keep that in mind. You might want to size up. Now for the pinky and the thumbnail, I did the same thing. I've been seeing this design and I've been really wanting to try it. So what I did was apply some of that base coat to the base of the nail, like the cuticle area, and then I dip that area in the glitter, and I take my brush and I kind of like ombre it up a little bit so it's not like a harsh line. And then I did go ahead and flash cure that, and like I said, I did the same thing to the thumbnail. So it's like an ombre, but it's like at the base instead of like the halfway of the nail. So this is me applying, girl, let me tell you. I was kind of nervous about doing that anyways, like the lazy girl method with these short nails, and it is difficult, let me tell you. It was hard. So all I did on that pinky nail was apply the polygel to the tip of the nail, and I smoothed it down to cover up, you know, to ombre it, but it was just at like the base of the nail. I really liked that design. It was so cute. And then this is the middle nail, which is the French. So I just filled in the rest of the cuticle area. I didn't cure any of these. I put these all aside until I was finished. And this is the thumbnail. I just did the polygel at the tip of the nail, and then I spread it all the way down to do like the ombre, but like I said, it was more towards the cuticle area instead of like halfway. And I've been seeing this design everywhere, and I've been really wanting to try it. So yeah, I'm really glad I did, because this design came out really cute. So I didn't flash cure that, so I wasn't sure how I was going to apply the nail. So what I did was I used my SXC Cosmetics glue gel, and I just put some of that glue gel where the glitter part was, and I applied it to my nail, but it wasn't like thick enough. So I think maybe next time if I do a design like this, I'll use clear polygel. So what I did was just apply it to the nail, and then I placed it on my natural nail, and then I cured it. And I did the same thing with all the other nails. This glitter nail, I did the same thing. And then the middle finger was easy because it was just polygel. And this is what they look like so far. Like I've said before, all the alcohol will come off. The stain, I mean, the residue. But first I'm going to top coat the underside of these nails, the ones with the glitter, because anytime I wiped it the glitter would come off. So I just went underneath it with a layer of that top coat, and I did make sure to brush it off on a paper towel before I put it back in the bottle, so each time I wiped off the brush. So I did go ahead and file away the tip on these nails, and any of any spillage that came out, I filed that away as well. And then I did go ahead and buff the shine as well, and this is what we have so far. So I am gonna do a rhinestone design. I'm not the best. I just go in with my rhinestone gel from my cart. I put a layer of that in the middle of the nail, and then I go over top of that with a top coat just to smooth it out. And I'm using the base and top coat from Madam Glam. I'm obsessed. And that is what it looks like. And then for the pinky and the thumbnail, I just put 3 little rhinestones on the side of the nail. So I do know that I am out of frame for a lot of these, and I do apologize. I moved my desk around, like where my camera is and all that. I moved it all around, so I'm not used to the placement. So I do apologize. I did have to cut a lot of it out, and I'm very sorry for that. I am gonna work on that. But yeah, I do apologize. I am aware of it, and it is thundering right now, so if you hear that, I do apologize as well. So like I said, I just applied 3 small rhinestones to the side of the nail on the pinky and the thumbnail, and now I'm just going to go over the rest of the nails with a top coat. I really want to invest in some more glitter too. The ones from the cart, I love the cart, but I think they're just too expensive. I think they're like $15 for a jar of glitter. I'm sorry, I can't do that. But these are very pretty. And this is after everything is cured and my cuticle oil is applied. I use the SXC Cosmetics cuticle oil. If you guys are curious, I will link everything down below. But this is a set, you guys. I love that like ombre at the cuticle area. I think it's just so freaking cute. I love how this set turned out. The glitter, everything is gorgeous. I love it. And it's a simple, easy set to do for all my beginners. You could absolutely do this in no time at all. It is so freaking easy. And it looks very expensive. But that is pretty much it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.